Hi children, welcome to maths class. So we have started a lesson with the money chapter. So today I wanted to show you all Indian currency children. See we can see here number, which number here it is? It is 10. See here, rupees symbol and this is 10. So this is 10 rupees note. And this is here 20 rupees note. See here, this is a new note children. This is a new 20 rupees note, and here it is a old 10 rupees note here. See here, this way. This is old 10 rupees note and this is the new 10 rupees note here. This is new 20 rupees note. See, this is pink color. This is old 20 rupees note children. This is 50 rupees. And here it is, see, how much it is? Rupees symbol, and this is, which number it is? It is 100 rupees note. And see, this is a new 100 rupees note. And this is here 200 rupees. Rupees 200. This is new Indian rupees note. And this is 500 children. See, rupees 500. This is also new note children. You want to see old 500 rupees note? Now it is not there in market and it is not running children. See, this is old 500 rupees note. See, now it is of no use children. This 500 rupees of no use. Now in the market present it is running is this 500 rupees note and 200 rupees note. This is 100. This is 50, 20. See, we have two 20 rupees notes here and two 10 rupees notes. Even we have 200 rupees notes also children. Just I am showing you all, like you have started with the money chapter, so I am showing you all types of notes, all the notes children here. And here comes a pieces. Here these are pieces, even though we'll call as a 1 rupee. This is 2 rupee coin, this is 5 rupees coin, and this is here 10 rupees coin. You can see here, even it comes in white color also children, this 5 rupees coin. Okay, today what is there? See, we have got some articles there and we have to match the articles with the amount. So we have to pay the amount and we have to buy an articles. Okay children, we'll start. See here, what is the first article here? This is jug. Jug, they are asking for rupees 15. Do we have 15 rupees note children? No, we don't have 15 rupees note. So what we will do? We'll take first one 10 rupees and we'll take one 5 rupees coin. So 10 plus 5 makes 15. So this is the answer. 10 plus 5 rupees coin make a 15. Next, what is there? 11 rupees. 11 rupees means 10 rupees. We have 10 rupees. We have 1 rupee coin. So this makes a rupees 11. See, where is 11 here? So here is the 11. See, 10 rupees note and 1 rupee note. 1 rupee coin. See, 10 rupees note and 1 rupee coin. Next, see, coconut milk, tender milk. This is of how much? Rupees 10. So we have rupees 10. So we'll give rupees 10 to the shopkeeper and we can buy the coconut milk. Okay. This is papaya fruit of rupees how much? Rupees 12. So how can we bifurcate at rupees 12? We can take rupees 10 and we can take this 1 rupee 2 coins also we can take, or else we can give directly 2 rupees coin children. See, we have here 2 rupees coin. 10 rupees plus 2 rupees coins makes a 12 rupees here. 10 rupees plus 2 rupee coins makes a 12 rupees. So here is the, what is this? Here is the sharpener. So what is the sharpener rate? This is rupees 5. So we have 5 rupees note also children, and even we have 5 rupees coin. We can give 5 rupees coin or else we can give 5 rupees note also. See, here is a 5 rupees note. Here is a coin. And rupees 2. We have the rupees 2 rupees coin. See here. So we buy the balloon by giving rupees 2. So here, see, finger. We can see. See, 1, 2. It is shown here, rupees 2. So here is rupees 2. So this is a note, old note. Now it is not there in the market, children. Now present is the 2 rupees coin only. Okay, this is how we'll do with the matching, children. Next, what is there? This is asked as a kids corner. See, look at the price of the toys. We have to look at the price of the toys and answer the following question. What is there here? Question, and here is the write the serial numbers of the toys. So first question, which two toys can you buy for rupees 10? So they are asking, we can buy for rupees 10. Which two toy we can buy? See, this is 5 rupees and this is 5 rupees. We can buy two toys. That is number 2 and number 4. We can't, if you buy only one car, then this is of rupees 10. So I have rupees, only 10 rupees I have. But we have two friends. So I have to distribute two toys here. How can I buy? I can't buy only one car. I can't buy only one. See, I want two different toys. So there is no any option, children. So I can buy only one car, one doll, and here one cycle. So that I can take within 10 rupees only, I can buy two toys here. Okay. If I buy this one, it will be like I'll get 5 toys, children. Only of same kind I'll get this one. Next one. Which one toy can you buy for rupees 10? Only rupees 10. Only one toy they asked. So one toy, it is rupees 10. So I can buy car here. Next. Which one of one toy can you buy of rupees 5? Only one toy they asked. So which is of rupees 5? See, where is the rupees 5 here? I can buy a doll or I can buy a cycle. So say I want to buy a doll toy. So I have written 2 here. Okay. Next. Which two toys can you buy for rupees 5? Say I want to buy a two toy of rupees 5. See, here is rupees 5 and here is rupees 5. So even doll and even cycle, both of them I can buy with the rupees 5. Okay. So this completes your money chapter, children. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me. See, before finishing money chapter, so I have shown you all even money also. Okay. If at all you go for the market, when you buy na, children, you ask your parents to give change for yourself. Okay. So this completes your money chapter. See, total this many pages. This is finished, children. Concentrate on the exam, children. It's left only few days to go. Okay, children. Take care. Write your notes. See, there is a notes correction, children. Everyone finish your notes. Every day learn tables. Finish learning tables. 2 to 12. See, 2 to 12. Next year you are going for the second standard and you should know perfectly till 15 tables, children. Okay. So now only in holidays, don't waste your time. Everyone learn tables. Okay, children, I hope you learn and make the project, children. See, take all types of notes. See, all 1 rupee, 2 rupees. See, all coins you take and all notes you take and you stick to one paper and send to me in the homework group, children. Okay, I'll be waiting. See, I'll give marks for this. If you'll submit me, I'll give you marks. See, below, see, stick the paper. See, 10 rupees note. You'll get duplicate notes also, children, in the market. So stick a 10 rupees note, duplicate note and write down rupees 10. You write the symbol also and send me in homework group. Okay, children, I'll be waiting for your homework, project homework. Okay, take care. Bye bye.